everybody, welcome back to another episode. And in today's episode, I'll be showing you something very special. Let's watch it. Look here. As you can see, there's a tiny little bird. Hello, Birdy. Oh, Birdy's angry on me. Hello, Birdy. Wait. Let me do something to that bird. Hey, play? Wanna play? Hey, you will play? Hey. Hello. You will play? Will we play? Over here, over here. Okay, I will not disturb you. So basically what happened is that there is a bird and it had a mom, and the mom went to find food for him or her, I don't know what gender. And it's sitting alone here. Hey. Hey, you okay? Now I won't touch it. It's a bit aggressive, and whenever I give him my finger, he snaps at it. My finger hurts a lot, you know. So I'm using this pen right now. Hey, Birdie, wanna play? It's been like a month. It's here on my window. I give it sometimes food, and it doesn't usually eat. Its mom feeds it. Good Birdie. See how much aggressive he is. See. Good Birdie. Goody boy. Okay, that's for today. Bye bye.